Hey everyone, it's Daniel. Today I'm walking you through the course outline for Pre-Calculus 11. As you can see here, I have the outline here. So my name is Pengxi Guo. You can also just call me Daniel. Yes. So the textbook required for this course, it is optional. The name is Theory and Problems for Pre-Calculus 11, 3rd edition. The required materials for this course are scientific calculators, not graphing calculators, obviously, rulers, pencils, and graphing paper. The course overview is here. Pre-Calculus 11 is designed to prepare students for advanced mathematical concepts and applications. This course focuses on developing algebraic, geometric, and trigonometric skills to provide a solid foundation for future mathematics and science courses. Students will explore various functions, equations, and graphs while enhancing problem-solving and critical thinking abilities. Your course content. Chapter 1, Factoring and Radicals, which is Unit 1. Chapter 2, Irrational Functions, which is Unit 2. Chapter 3, Quadratic Functions in General Form, which is Unit 3, Part 1 of it. Chapter 4, Quadratic Functions in Standard Form, which is Part 2 of Unit 3. Chapter 5, Quadratic Equations, which is Part 1 of Unit 4. Chapter 6, Linear and Quadratic Systems, which is Part 2 of Unit 4. And Chapter 7, Inequalities, which is Part 1 of Unit 5. And Chapter 8, Trigonometry, which is Part 2 of Unit 5. The big ideas of this course are: algebra allows us to generalize relationships through abstract thinking. The meaning of and connections between operations extend to powers, radicals, and polynomials. Quadratic relationships are prevalent in the world around us. Trigonometry involves using proportional reasoning to solve indirect measurement problems. Moving on. Here are the curricular competencies. You are expected to do the following: reasoning and modeling. Develop thinking strategies to solve puzzles and play games. Explore, analyze, and apply mathematical ideas using reasoning, technology, and other tools. Estimate reasonably and demonstrate fluent, flexible, and strategic thinking about numbers. Model with mathematics in situational contexts. Thinking creatively and with curiosity and wonder when exploring problems. The next column is understanding and solving. Develop, demonstrate, and apply conceptual understanding of mathematical ideas through play, story, inquiry, and problem solving. Visualize to explore and illustrate mathematical concepts and relationships. Apply flexible and strategic approaches to solve problems. Solve problems with persistence and a positive disposition. Engage in problem-solving experiences connected with place, story, cultural practices, and perspectives relevant to local First Peoples communities, the local community, and other cultures. The next competency is communicating and representing. Explain and justify mathematical ideas and decisions in many ways. Represent mathematical ideas in concrete, pictorial, and symbolic forms. Next competency is connecting and reflecting. Reflect on mathematical thinking. Connect mathematical concepts with each other, with other areas, and with personal interests. Use mistakes as opportunities to advance learning. And incorporate First Peoples' worldviews, perspectives, knowledge, and practices to make connections with mathematical concepts. Moving on. Content. This course will cover real number system, powers with rational exponents, radical operations and equations, polynomial factoring, rational expressions and equations, quadratic functions and equations, linear and quadratic inequalities, and trigonometry, non-right triangles and angles in standard position. So to buy the workbook, the fee is $30. This is optional. If you want to buy it to practice problems after each video you watch, sure. The workbook is Theory and Problems for Pre-Calculus 11, 3rd edition. Please keep this outline in mind. Let's do our best and learn Pre-Calculus 11. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new in my future videos.